Powder's in.
Powder's in. Is it dry powder? You got to have dry powder. Oh, he's doing it with his hand now. Don't look down the barrel of a gun.
All right, where's that little patchy?
Yep.
Bill.
You know what? I think the sights are off on that gun. I still haven't hit that circle. There we go.
All right.
Talk us through it.
Silver ball.
Yep.
Press. Ball is in.
A lot of effort.
All right. What do we got here? Flat part of the wooden ball here.
Yep.
Press down.
Yep. Presto. Oh.
Little bang.
Uh-huh.
Little extra effort.
Little
there.
tap tap.
All right.
Silver part.
Third step.
Yep.
Maybe fourth step. Who knows?
Oh, that was a good step.
All right.
Yep.
We're done with that boy.
Yep.
Big end. Big end. Here we go.
Right. And they've just started the next battle.
And everybody's gone home.
Yeah, everyone's gone home.
The whole army is dead.
Yeah, everyone's gone.
Okay.
Where's Kaufman? He's still loading.
Anybody.
All right, now the tricky part. Tap, tap, tap. Oh,
right, now
oh boy.
ready.
Just fire away, huh?
Yep. Hit something this time.
What? You didn't like what I did last time?
He hit the dust.
That's what I was aiming for.
All right.
All right.
What are you aiming for now?
Anything.
Okay. Don't look at it.
It's all the way back, I think.
So that's a here trigger right now.
Yeah, right.
Here trigger, the front trigger.
Oh.
Here trigger.
Forgot the double trigger.
Yep. I'm hearing something ringing.
Yeah,
Did he
I
hit
it.
something?
Yeah, you hit the...
Hey! Success!